Hey, what's up guys, it's me Mubashir from Mubashir Tech by Karachi Vlogs. Welcome back to another video related to the Spotify. Past couple of days ago, I posted a story on the Instagram about the barcode of my Spotify playlist. In that video, I scanned my Spotify's playlist code and then access my playlist of the Spotify. So here is the video or a tutorial of the Spotify's playlist codes, that how to generate your Spotify playlist code or in the Spotify's account code. So let's watch the short and simple tutorial about this Spotify. So without wasting of time, move towards the tutorial. Alright, so here is the tutorial of the Spotify code of your playlist and the Spotify codes of your account. I am showing you the Spotify code or a barcode of your playlist. So continue to the Google and you have to use two applications. One is the Spotify and second is the web player version of the Spotify. Now I am going with the Google. First of all, I am closing all window, then I open my Google Chrome. So hey, I am typing the Spotify log into the Spotify codes. So I am using the web player. The account overview is all about your accounts, your plan, your username, email, date of birth and passwords, privacy setting, blah blah blah. But I moved towards the web version because I want to copy the link of the Spotify's playlist. Now here is my Spotify's account where I can listen my song, web version, where I can listen my podcast, tutorials about the musics and everything, whatever I want to listen. So here is my playlist option, Mubashir Tech by Karachi Vlogs. If you don't follow me, you have to follow my account and read it. So here is my whole playlist. Now I am opening the Spotify. So yep, this is same as Spotify's application, the web version is also same. So now I am opening my playlist is here and you have to select the link of this playlist. So the link is up on the bar of the Google, search bar of the Google. I'm copied this. Now you have to open the website Spotify codes. So move towards the spotifycodes.com and now you have to copy your code on this dialog box. Paste your codes and now click on this Spotify codes. So as you see that Mubashir Tech by Karachi Vlogs code is here. Now I am changing my color of the code. I like cyan or bluish type color, so I prefer this. Whatever you want red, green, blue, yellow, everything you just got to choose. I am choosing this cyan color and bar color is black, made black, everything is perfect. So the size is 640 pixels. I think this is better, and JPEG. Okay, so now you have to download the spotifycodes.com. So here is a range of my codes as you see. Now I am opening the Spotify codes. So here is my code of my playlist, the spotifycodes.com. So here is a simple tutorial about the Spotify codes. I think you enjoy it. Now I'll show you that how to open your playlist using your code. So here we go.
Okay, so open the Spotify, then open the camera button for scanning the image or code. Now point the camera towards the code. Now you can access my playlist. I do it again. So here's, oh, as you can see how fast it is. Again, wow, you see that how fast it is. So
you are a new user of the Spotify, and if you want to use Spotify, play these songs and whatever you want on Spotify, so here is the card up here about the how to use the Spotify and all about the Spotify. The card is here. You can now access all videos about the Spotify and you can use this Spotify as fast as you can. So thank you. This is me Mubashir from Mubashir Tech by Karachi Vlogs signing off. Goodbye.